Hello students, today we are going to work on three basic moves. So if you are beginner, this is perfect for you just to start it off. We are going to start off with the step touch, really simple. It's all about attitude, it's all about bending your knees, giving the bounce, giving the flavor. Okay, so simple, right to left. We are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A lot of people, when they do this, and if they have never done it before, they become very stiff, and their arms, they don't know what to do with their arms. So if you want to loosen up the arms as a beginner, maybe just clap to keep the beat so your arms are working, and then once you feel comfortable, you can kind of do your own thing. So I'll just do with a clap. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. As you can see, I bend my knees all the time, so I'm in the bounce vibe the whole time, so not for sitting up and standing up like this. Okay, so one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All I'm doing is going step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. 8 counts. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. The second move, we are going to do same idea, but we are going to stay in a place and our leg is going to out and then come back in for the touch. So we are going to step out with our right leg. 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. So remember, you are going to stay in the center. You are not going to move. Your leg is going to step out and then it's going to come back in. Another thing to remember, you are always want to stay on your toe. You want to be able your move quick. So when I step out, I don't put my leg flat down on the ground. It's always up on my toes. If you look at it from this side, I'm always doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. When I'm on the ball of my feet, it's very easy for me, just switch anytime I want. One last time, staying in the middle. 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's connect move 1 and move 2 together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do it one more time. This time no break in between. We just go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. This brings us to the last step, the third step, which is again similar, but now we are going to involve a slide. So what you are going to do it similar to the first one, but you are going to take a big step out with your right leg, and then you are going to drag the left leg in the creative slide. 1 step, 2, 3 step, 4, 5 step, 6, 7 step, 8. Now do the same thing, but the leg that I am dragging stays on my toes and I drag it. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'll stand in profile so you can see my feet. Same thing. I'm going to take a big step back. You're gonna see me drag my right leg and you're going to see it on my toes. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. So you can do whatever arms you want to do. Like I said, clap in the beginning if you are beginner. If you want to loosen up your push, 1, 2, 3, or you can use 1, 2, both hands, 3, 4, 5. So whatever you want to do. Let's go back to the top. Let's connect step 1, step 2, step 3 all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last step. Slide. 2, slide. 4, slide. 6, slide. 8. Perfect. Let's do that one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your knees are bent. 5, 6, 7 in place. 1, 2, 3. You can turn your body 5, a little bit. 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. So 3 basic moves if you are start on, if you are a beginner, simple stuff, just keep doing it over and over until you get comfortable with it. Again, I have seen people do this step, looks easy, but if you are never done it, you get really stiff and you don't know what to do with your arms. So make sure that knees are bent, make sure you are stay on your toes, you can move easily, and then be comfortable with your upper body. Move your arms, feel good, move your body. Let's do it one more time together. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and change. Slide. 2, slide. 4, slide. 6, slide and 8. Perfect. That's it, guys. Really simple. I'll see you guys next week with another tutorial.